tayong mga newbies usually ang mali natin. Naghahanap tayo kaagad ng jackpot. I don't look to jump over 7-foot bars. I look around for 1-foot bars that I can step over. Look for a system that can give you consistently daily gains, actively trading man yan, bot man yan, kasi nakukompound po yung pera natin dito. Practice the discipline. If you're already gained 1% for the day, you stop. At least take a break, no, para ma-reset yung mind natin na hindi tayo maging Superman. Ang problema sa ating mga newbies, kakahanap ng jackpot, gain na, bumabalik pa sa pula. So, wag natin masyado ugaliin yung jackpot mentality. Wala pong ganon. Ang mas magandang gawin, maging consistent, kahit maliit lang. Sabi nga ng mga kaibigan natin sa Chinese community. Kahit liit kita, pero marami, pag pinagsama-sama, malaki rin. Yan ang ating Kuyang Knows for the night. Please follow and share for more.